now you can sit in groups of 2 or 3 or 4, how much ever the way you want to design your lesson plans. Do sit in groups, and so that you have the opportunity to discuss it with your peers about what the lesson plan you're going to design and how you are going to develop it together. Okay. And please feel free to shift places if you want to work with someone else, someone new who you have just gotten introduced to. I would actually encourage you to work with someone who you don't know otherwise, so that you network with someone new who you haven't met before this workshop, and then you continue that relationship later also.
So can you just show them the... Okay. Hi, everyone. I just want your attention for a quick minute. So in the Word document, in the metadata table, there is something called the climate topic. Now, to fill this section, you have to go to the resource tab on the top and scroll down to climate topic. And once you click on climate topic, this page will appear. So once you scroll, there are 23 climate topics for you to choose from. So most of your resources will fall under these climate topics. If you think or if you're confused about which climate topic it falls under, please call us. Also, if you think that it falls under a climate topic that is not mentioned here, you all want to include a new climate topic, then you all can also be free to do so. There's not a problem. But try and fit it into these 23 climate topics if possible. And if you all have any doubts about which climate topic it fits under, please call us. Thank you. Hi, everyone. I know that you all are working for your lesson plan, but it's time to break for tea and coffee. Oh, he has a question. So all those who want to have tea and coffee, we can go down, I think, where we had it yesterday. Yes, it's in the same place. It's in the canteen. Okay. Okay. And just before that, we have a small announcement.
Good morning. Good morning. Please, just 1 minute. I just want to make a small announcement from VMFT side. Vakamolavi Foundation Trust, which is organizing this workshop as the host partner. So I want to thank you again for coming. But I wish to stress that after the workshop, as Sanjana will explain, there will be help provided to finalize your lesson plan. നിങ്ങളുടെ lesson plan ഒക്കെ finalize ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ presentation ചെയ്യുമല്ലോ ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് there will be further help online. അത് സഞ്ജന explain ചെയ്യും എങ്ങനെയാ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന്. അപ്പൊ ആർക്കാ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ താല്പര്യമുള്ളത്, you should volunteer for that, because VMFT ആയിരിക്കും കുറച്ചത് കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഈ വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പിന് വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരെയും ഓരോന്നായിട്ട് വിളിച്ച് പാവം വിദ്യയും ജബീനയും തളർന്നു പോയി കാണും. ബട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫേസിൽ നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ ഒന്ന് പറയണം who wants to have more help. രണ്ടാമത്തെ കാര്യം, we plan to organize trainers, select some trainers അവർക്ക് ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്സിലൊക്കെ വർക്ക്ഷോപ്സ് ഓർഗനൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഒക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഇതേ തരത്തിലുള്ള വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് വേറെ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട്സിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന. സോ ഇഫ് എനിബഡി ഈസ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റഡ് മുമ്പോട്ട് in going forward with the next program, please also give your name and email ID to Jabina teacher or to Vidya. So that's the second point. And the third point is that we are trying to develop a curriculum for climate change, which will include many lesson plans, maybe for upper primary and high school and higher secondary. So those who want to participate in that, to develop that curriculum also, they can also give their names and contact details. Okay. And we'll try to do that over the summer and beginning part of next academic year. So thank you.
Thank you so much. So yes, tea and coffee is served. So y'all can go to have it if y'all want to. Thank you. Okay. So now that we are going to present, I'm just going to give you all a basics of how you all should present. So first, you should mention the title of your lesson plan, and we will also project your lesson plan that you all have written on the screen. So first, mention the title of your lesson plan. What are the topics in discipline? What are the linkages of your topic to climate change? And then what resources did you find? Was it easy to find resources in your field? Which were the some of the sources that you all used? What types of resources did you find? Were they videos? Were they readings? Were they audios? And also then, will you use this lesson plan to teach your students in your classroom? So this is something that you all have to answer. Now I will minimize the screen because we'll be showing some of your written lesson plans so that you all can go through it and you all can show the people while you all are talking about it. And after every person presents, it'll be open. There'll be a Q&A session after every person's presentation. So please feel free to ask them any questions, any doubts you have about their lesson plan. Okay? So I think we'll start with you first. Can you show me which one?